25-year-old Mohammed Jafar lost his left hand in January this year while he was part of a vigilante group formed to protect his neighborhood in Yola, northern Nigeria. Jafar's forearm was hacked off as he tried to shield his head from a criminal gang. He recently got fitted with a new 3D printed prosthetic arm and is now able to earn a living as a tailor.
This limb has helped in reducing the humiliation I used to feel. When I put it on, it covers the part that was cut off from my arm, and most people cannot differentiate between the limb and my real arm. It helps me to do some activities.
Like Jafar, many other amputees who live in northeast Nigeria now have access to prosthetics, thanks to our team of developers at Yola's Northeast Humanitarian and Innovation Hub. The hub was set up in 2018 by the Nigerian government to encourage tech enthusiasts to find innovative ways of solving some of the region's social problems. Northeastern Nigeria has been the scene of conflict and insecurity for over a decade as militant group Boko Haram continues to wage an insurgency campaign against the government. Also, clashes between farmers and nomadic herders over dwindling arable land have seen thousands of people killed and tens of thousands more displaced. Many victims have lost limbs as a result of the violence. Most cannot afford prosthetics. 3D printing reduces the cost of production compared to conventionally manufactured prosthetics and is also said to offer advanced functionality. The 3D printed prosthetics offered in Yola would cost about 363,000 naira, but the team has given out over 6 prosthetics for free in the region. They have a list of over 100 amputees across the Northeast waiting to be fitted. Mohammed Ibrahim is a founding partner of the lab.
The lab itself hasn't really been operational for more than 2 months, and we're already impacting close to 6 kids with the limbs, including I think a police officer also who lost his limb in the line of duty. We've also provided a 3D limb for him. So it's much cheaper, much cheaper.
Jafar's prosthetic hand is controlled by the movement of muscles prompted by the brain, allowing neural influence not seen in many of the basic models that are most widely available. Ahmad Tijani says work is still being done to improve the prosthetics further by adding more sensors that can, for example, detect temperature.
It's not just printing the limbs, but also now adding robotics to it to improve functionality. So with robotics, you now have sensors coming in within which a model of thought is designed and transmitted for the user.
Tijani and his colleagues say they will continue working to offer as many cutting-edge features to recipients like Jafar to help them go about their lives with much more ease and dignity.